Today I'll be showing you how to create this holographic gradient butterfly stamping design. And don't forget, please give this a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more nail art tutorials and reviews. I'm sponging a gradient of Born Pretty Store-Holographic Polish 24, Beauty Big Bang's Purple Holographic Polish and Wikkid Polish in Parma Violets. I've applied Opulent Essence's liquid nail tape, which I'm now removing as it really helps with the cleanup process. Here's the gradient ready for stamping. Just check out that rainbow. The stamping plate I'm using is Born Pretty Store BP-X52, which has 6 gorgeous butterfly images. I'm using this gorgeous image and I'm stamping with Mundo de Uñas black stamping polish and applying quickly to my nail. See how beautiful this stamping image is and how the wings look holographic. I'm top coating with Seche Vite quick drying top coat. I try to float the top coat over my nail so I don't smudge the stamping design. So I'm applying quite a lot of top coat and trying to use as few brush strokes as possible. And here's the finished design. Check out that hollow. I really hope you like it. And don't forget, please give this a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel.